Hey y'all, so it is Vlogmas day 9, and in this video I'm going to be doing a little nail tutorial. I'm just showing you right there that finger I slammed into my car door and it split the nail in two, damaging my nail bed. So that's what I'm showing you guys right there. Now I'm just pushing back my cuticles and then I'm going to cut that off. Huge disclaimer, guys, I am literally a beginner, okay? I'm not a professional at all, so please don't come for me in the comments saying I'm not doing it right or I'm not doing what I should be doing, because I really don't know what to do. So I'm just a girl, just trying my best to get it done. It's definitely not perfect, but it works for me. Okay, so now I'm just cutting off the dead skin. I'm just showing you guys right here the nail tips that I use, and I really like them. Because I have really wide nail beds and the nails kind of look broad to me and I don't really like that look, I always try to do like a coffin shape. But because I'm not a professional and I'm not good at shaping, it doesn't come out really coffin. Maybe like a coffin's cousin or something. But yeah, so I just try to like cut it a little bit like narrower so it doesn't look as wide. Felt like they were a little bit too long for work, so I decided to cut them down just a little bit more. So I just filed the nail tips to remove the shine from them and also to blend them in a little bit with my nails. Now I'm adding my dehydrator to remove any oils, and then I'm gonna add my primer. Then it's time for the acrylic. Guys, the acrylic application, as you guys will see in a minute here, was not perfect, okay? It was giving me a hard time. Some of the beads were runny, some were hard, some were, it was all over the place, guys, okay? It was all over the place. So please, just remember, the girl is a beginner and it's a work in progress, but I think the end product was okay. But I want you guys to comment down below and tell me if you think that it was okay as well. All right, back to the video. Acrylic application is such a challenge for me. As you guys can see, my fourth finger, the shaping was really off, but I'm gonna fix it in the end, so just bear with me. design time. So I'm gonna put the nail inspo. It's actually 2 of them, and I'm kind of doing a mixture of both, but I'm gonna put the pictures on the left side of the screen, and then you guys will see like what I'm going for. The design wasn't really hard to do. I definitely think it's beginner friendly, but it took me a long time because I wanted to make sure that it was as perfect as possible or as neat as possible. And I think it turned out okay in the end, but you guys can let me know down in the comments below. I think the only issue I had, or the only thing that was freaking me out in the end, was wondering how I was going to use my non-dominant hand to do my dominant hand and do the design. So I don't know, but we'll see how it turns out. Once y'all see my face in the camera with this little box, y'all already know what time it is. Vlogmas day 9. So let's look for door number 9. Number 9 is right here. So let's open it. Ooh. It's a yellow one. And this one is the bright yellow one. So that's the Lindt Mini Solid Milk Chocolate Balls. I don't think I have this yellow one, but I'm not gonna have it tonight. So this is what we got. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in to Vlogmas Day 9. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 10. Yes! See y'all tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.